Bugatti Automobiles S.A.S. is a French high-performance luxury automobiles manufacturer and a subsidiary of Volkswagen AG, with its head office and assembly plant in Molsheim, Alsace, France. Volkswagen purchased the Bugatti trademark in June 1998 and incorporated Bugatti Automobiles S.A.S. In 1999. Bugatti presented several concept cars between 1998 and 2000 before commencing development of its first production model, the Veyron 16.4, delivering the first Veyron to a customer in 2005. History: at the urging of then-chairman Ferdinand Ch, Volkswagen purchased the rights to produce cars under the Bugatti mark in June, 1998. This followed the earlier Volkswagen purchases of the Lamborghini mark, the Rolls-Royce factory and crew, United Kingdom, and the Bentley mark. On December 22, 2000, Volkswagen officially incorporated Bugatti Automobiles S.A.S., with former VW drivetrain chief Karl-Heinz Neumann as president. The company purchased the 1856 car Cento Saint-Jean, formerly Et Tour Bugatti's guest house in Molsheim, near Molsheim, and began refurbishing it to serve as the company's headquarters. The original factory was still in the hands of Snecma, who were unwilling to part with it. At the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance in August 2000, VW announced that they would instead build a new modern atelier next to and south of the car Cento. The atelier was officially inaugurated on September 3, 2005. Bugatti Automobiles S.A.S. is a wholly owned subsidiary of the Volkswagen AG. Early concept cars, Italdesign Giugiaro Designs. Volkswagen commissioned Italdesigns Giugetto Giugiaro to design a series of concept cars to return the mark to prominence. The first example, the EB118, was a two-door coupe copyright and was introduced at the Paris Motor Show in 1998. It was followed by the four-door EB218 touring sedan, introduced at the Geneva Motor Show in 1999. Later that year, the 18/3 Chiron was shown at the IAA in Frankfurt. Volkswagen designed the final Bugatti concept, the EB18/4 GT in-house. Bugatti introduced the EB18/4 at the 1999 Tokyo Motor Show. W18 engine. All of these early concepts featured a 555 PS 18-cylinder engine. This was the first ever W configuration engine on a passenger vehicle, with 3 blocks of 6 cylinders each. It shared many components with Volkswagen's modular engine family. Production cars, Veyron 16.4. Development of this vehicle began with the 1999 EB18/4 Veyron concept car, which itself had a chassis based on that of the Bugatti 18/3 Chiron concept car. It was similar in design and appearance to the final Veyron production car. One major difference was the EB18/4's use of a W18 engine with 3 banks of 6 cylinders. The Veyron's chief designer was Hartmut Walkus, and the exterior was designed by József Kabara of Volkswagen, rather than Giugetto Giugiaro of Italdesign, who had handled the 3 prior Bugatti concepts. The then Euro Volkswagen Group chairman Ferdinand Ch announced the Veyron at the 2000 Geneva Motor Show. It was promised to be the fastest, most powerful and most expensive car in history. Instead of the W18, it would use a VR6/WR8 style W16 engine. First seen in the 1999 Bentley Audi RS concept car, the W16 would have 4 turbochargers and produce a quoted 1,001 horsepower. Top speed was promised at 407 km/h, and the price was announced at $1 million. Development continued throughout 2001 and the EB16/4 Veyron was promoted to advanced concept status. In late 2001, Bugatti announced that the car, officially called the Bugatti Veyron 16.4, would go into production in 2003. Taking great pride in the making of the Veyron, the production plant is affectionately called the Atelier. Ch retired that year as chairman of the Volkswagen Group and was replaced by Bernd Pichtzrieder. The new chairman promptly sent the Veyron back to the drawing board for major revisions. Neumann was replaced as Bugatti president by Thomas Bscher in December 2003, and substantial modifications were made to the Veyron under the guidance of a former VW engineer, Bugatti engineering chief Wolfgang Schreiber. The Veyron costs $1,100,000. Prices vary by exchange rates and local taxes. Prices for the UK or the US are over £880,000, or around $1,400,000. It was noted in an April issue of Live magazine that customers are free to order additional extras which can push the price up by the cost of a Rolls-Royce Phantom. During an episode of Top Gear, the car was compared to the Concorde as a feat of technology. 16C Galibia. The 16C Galibia was first unveiled during the celebration of the centenary of the marque in Molsheim. The presentation was only for Bugatti customers. The car show in Molsheim showed the car in blue carbon fiber and aluminum parts. 1 year later Bugatti showed the world the 16C Galibia concept at VW Group Night at the Geneva Auto Show in a new black and aluminum color combination. The Galibia, a 1,000 horsepower sedan, was first shown as a concept in 2010, and when they planned to put it into production in 2015, it would have cost about $1.4 million. It would use the same 16-cylinder 8.0-liter engine as the Veyron, but instead of 4 turbos, the 16C Galibia would instead use 2 superchargers to deliver better torque. Production would require new facilities in Molsheim, France, to be refitted, which pushed back potential deliveries until 2015. In 2013 it was announced that the car will never be produced as they wish to focus on a Veyron replacement. Citations. References: Volkswagen Aktiengesellschaft Facts and Figures 2012 Volkswagen.com. Volkswagen Aktiengesellschaft June 11, 2012. 1058.809.453.20. Archived from the original on August 10, 2012. Retrieved August 10, 2012. Kremer, Andreas. Bugatti said to get backing for $1.4 million Galibia supercar. Bloomberg Businessweek. ISNA 0007-7135. Archived from the original on August 11, 2012. Retrieved August 11, 2012. BBC 2, Top Gear, Series 7, Episode 5. BBC. December 11, 2005. Retrieved May 28, 2013. External links. Official website.